Welcome to 393 Captain's Court, where every day feels like a retreat and life at the lake meets low-maintenance living. Nestled in the coveted Terry Lake community just minutes north of Old Town Fort Collins, this beautifully updated townhome offers rare access to a private lake and sandy beach right out your back door. Enjoy a lifestyle of recreation and relaxation, whether it's a morning paddleboard, a swim on a hot day, or a peaceful evening walk along the water. Life here feels like a vacation all year long. Step inside to discover an elevated living experience. The main level welcomes you with vaulted ceilings, rich hardwood floors, newer quality carpet, and energy-efficient casement windows that fill the space with natural light. Built-in shelving and a cozy gas fireplace add warmth and character. The kitchen is as functional as it is stylish, featuring updated cabinetry, sleek quartz countertops, and newer stainless steel appliances. It's the perfect space for everything from weeknight meals to having friends over for a weekend get-together. The floor plan flows seamlessly into the dining and living areas, which extend to your own private deck overlooking a beautifully maintained backyard, ideal for morning coffee or dinners under the stars. Upstairs, the primary suite is your personal retreat. Before you enter the bedroom, note the upper level washer and dryer, storage room, and a versatile loft, perfect for a home office or a reading nook. The bedroom is so spacious, with double closets connecting through to a 5-piece bathroom. Downstairs, the finished walkout basement offers 2 additional bedrooms, a shared full bathroom, and a generous second living space that opens to a private patio and yard, great for barbecues or simply unwinding in the fresh air. Practical upgrades include a brand new Class 4 roof in 2023, a recently replaced HVAC system, an attached 2-car garage, and an extra dedicated parking space. Plus, there's plenty of guest parking too. With HOA maintained landscaping, you'll enjoy all the perks of home ownership without the upkeep. This is lakeside living at its best with an attainable price tag. Peaceful, private, and just a short drive to the shops, restaurants, and charm of Old Town Fort Collins. I'm Realtor Robert Crow. Call, text, or email for a private tour and come experience the magic of 393 Captain's Court for yourself. Have a smashing day.